Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a Canva design to Google Drive. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening the Canva project you want to upload. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner and click Share. In the drop-down menu, click More, then scroll down until you see the Google Drive option. Click on Google Drive. A new window will pop up, prompting you to connect your Google account to Canva. Select the account you want to use, then allow access to link it. After connecting, you'll be able to browse your Google Drive folders directly from Canva. Choose the folder where you want to save the design. Next, choose the file type for export. For instance, if it's an ebook or a document, select PDF. Then click Save. Canva will now upload your design to the selected Google Drive folder. Once it's done, you can click View in Google Drive. This will open a new browser tab showing the saved file in your Google Drive account. You'll see the design stored as a PDF file inside your selected folder. You can now share, view, or manage your Canva design directly from Google Drive. So that's basically how you can upload a Canva design to Google Drive. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.